Google recently has been on fire. We have already seen the release of Jules, which is a fully free AI engineer that they just released. Then they released Stitch, which is a UI focused AI agent. And now they have quietly dropped another experimental product, but wildly powerful. Allow me to introduce Opal. Opal is a new AI app builder by Google that lets you build and share AI powered mini apps for free. Using natural language, you can link together prompts, models, and tools to create working app prototypes without a single line of code. It features a clean drag and drop node interface, similar to Nathan and Langflow, making it super easy to design flows and interactions, whether you're creating utility apps or setting up logic for future AI agents. Opal provides a new level of flexibility for non technical builders. Now, you may wonder, what makes this different than other AI app builders? Well, this is a tool that's going to be combining both building the actual app with natural language inputs with a visual drag and drop workflow. It's going to let you build and edit AI powered apps just by describing what you want with each of the nodes. And unlike these other tools that we showcase on this channel that require manual wiring and coding, Opal is going to auto generate functional workflows. You have this ability to create the workflows with the drag and drop UI. So it's super easy and intuitive to work with. And you can simply describe what you want with each node and pair it with different sequences. This is where each sequences could use different prompts, different models, and different tools to build each component of your app more intuitively. For example, just take a look at this blog writer app that was fully generated. On the left hand side, you have the workflow where you have a pretty nice flow to how this blog writer app functions. And each step is where you can work with the AI to generate different components. Like the first one is to create the blog post, which is this node. The other node is to generate the video description. And another one is just to create like the front end. And over here, we have our app fully generated with a video that was fully coded out and generated with Veo. So you can see different components and different models were used to generate all of this. Before we get started, I just want to mention that you should definitely go ahead and subscribe to the World of AI newsletter. I'm constantly posting different newsletters on a weekly basis. So this is where you can easily get up-to-date knowledge about what is happening in the AI space. So definitely go ahead and subscribe as this is completely for free. What's also nice is that Google provides a demo gallery with starter templates. So this is where you can easily use these different templates like a social media post or like a web page or even something like a blog post writer. You can use these demo apps to easily start building out your application. So yeah, this is definitely a great AI app builder that is completely free, but there is one slight catch, unfortunately. It is in public beta, which is only available to the United States. So any user living within that region will be able to access it. But if you're living outside of that, unfortunately, you won't be able to access it at this current moment. But when they do, I'll keep you guys posted. And that is where I highly recommend that you follow me on Twitter because that is where I'm going to be posting updates on small things like this whenever they drop an update like that. But now, what you can do if you are living within that region, go ahead and sign in with your Google account and then we can get started. Once you sign in, you're going to be then sent over to the main dashboard of Opal. This is where you can manage your apps over here, the ones that you create from scratch. And then you can also access the gallery, which is where you can access the ready-made templates that Google has already created. So if you want, you can use many of these templates. Simply just click on Remix, and then you're going to be able to access it within the builder. So this will take a couple of seconds. And once it finishes loading up, you can see that you have the ability to manage the workflow. This is the node workflow that I was talking about. You can simply add in different inputs like a user input, then have the AI generate certain components, and then have an output linked to that. And then you also have the ability to add assets like uploading files, connecting it to your drive, a YouTube link. You can even add text or a drawing, but we're not going to be using that because I want to showcase the type of apps that it actually outputs. This is a social media post remix. This is where you can create a social media post for your business, and it was all generated with the help of Opal's AI agents. You also have a console to manage what is happening to see the outputs, and then you can even change the theme. based off of whatever you want the AI to generate it off of. So if it's something like sci-fi related, it'll change that theme based off of that. But if we go ahead and take a look at this preview, we can click on start. We can enter a business website URL. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. And just like that, it has created the social media post for us. So in this case, it is basing it off my actual website that I have, and it is talking about what we do. It added the tags and the caption, and it actually generated an image for us. So overall, it did a pretty decent job in creating this social media post for us. And this was an app that was created with Opal. And like I mentioned before, you can manage the console and everything that was inputted from the user. And then you can also see what the AI was actually focusing on with the model that it used. So even with this case, made a new image, this output using the Gemini 2.5 Flash. And it was also able to create the caption using that model as well. Now, one thing I will say is that you can share this app around as a link, which is great, but you're not going to be able to get the code from it, which is kind of uh, lackluster in my opinion, because you don't have the ability to use the code that it created this app with, which might be one slight downside. But if you're working on creating a web app that you want to share around, this could be something that you can use to easily develop it completely for free. And to create something from scratch, let's actually do this by clicking on create new, and we can simply tell it what we want to do. You have these different nodes that you can use to create it, but I'm going to just simply describe what I want to build. This is where I had requested this prompt to build an onboarding flow to bring in consulting clients for my world of AI consulting business. And this is where I can simply send in this prompt and the AI will work on building the whole flow all on its own. And there we go. Rather than me placing down these individual nodes to create my app, the AI just does it all on its own with the natural language prompt that was sent in. So in this case, it created the flow, the user input that it has created to collect different client names, company industry, and the primary contact email. This is where it's going to generate the onboarding content, where it had created the AI agent, the consulting expert, that is where it is going to scrape in all of these contents and then generate an interactive onboarding. So the AI generated this whole flow all on its own. And you can see that this is a rough app that it has created. So we can click on start where you can enter in a client name. So let's say my name is Mahi. Click enter the client industry, AI. Let's just say something like that. Primary contact email, bot at gmail.com, and then click enter. And then you can see it's going to generate an onboarding content. So this way we have this base structure of an app that was fully generated based off that initial prompt that was sent in. And then afterwards, it's going to generate that interactive onboarding flow. And it is going to take a couple seconds and then provide that to me. And there we go. You can see that it has now created this onboarding for me. It is where it is welcoming me with my name, Mahi. Your AI consulting journey begins here. Next is the terms of service. And then you have different questions that it's going to ask you, recommended material for review. And then you can finish the steps and you can onboard that client. And this was all fully generated with a single prompt that was sent in. Now, there's certain things that you can edit. So if you want, you can actually edit these components. And to do so, you can just simply type in a suggestion, like an edit that you want to add to a particular node that will then improve the overall workflow. And I believe you also have the ability to choose different models for different components. So if I want, I can use the Gemini 2.5 Pro, better for complex tasks. You can use image gen as well, audio LM, Veo to generate videos, as well as Lyra too. So you have a lot of flexibility in using different models for different nodes. If you like this video and would love to support the channel, you can consider donating to my channel through the super thanks option below. Or you can consider joining our private Discord where you can access multiple subscriptions to different AI tools for free on a monthly basis, plus daily AI news and exclusive content, plus a lot more. But that's basically it, guys, for today's video on Opal. This is something that has a lot of potential, and I've seen crazy results being generated from this. People were able to generate AI agents that have complex natures based off of the free models that they provide. So this is something that has a lot of potential. So I definitely recommend that you try this out. Put the links in the description below. But with that thought, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the second channel, join our newsletter, as well as our Discord, follow me on Twitter, and lastly, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and please take a look at our previous videos because there is a lot of content that you'll truly benefit from. But with that thought, guys, have an amazing day, spread positivity, and I'll see you guys fairly shortly. Peace out, fellas.